Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete Zoom messages. Whether you need to remove a typo, retract something you sent by mistake, or simply keep your chat clean, this quick process will help you manage your messages during meetings. First, open your Zoom app and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so you have access to all your meetings and conversations. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Zoom dashboard with all your upcoming meetings and options. Next, join a meeting. This step is essential because you can only delete messages during an active meeting session. Once you're in the meeting, you'll see the main video interface with several controls at the bottom of your screen. Now, look at the bottom toolbar and click on the chat button. This will open up a panel on the right side of your screen where all your conversation history is displayed. Here you'll see all the messages you've sent and received during the current meeting organized chronologically so you can easily find what you're looking for. Locate the specific message you want to delete. Take your time scrolling through the chat panel to find the exact message that needs to be removed. Once you've found it, hover over that message and you'll notice three dotted lines appear next to it. Click on those three dotted lines to reveal a small menu with options for that message. From the menu that appears, click on Delete. This tells Zoom that you want to remove this particular message from the chat. It's a straightforward action that prepares the system to confirm your choice before making any permanent changes. A confirmation will pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete this message. This is Zoom's way of making sure you don't accidentally remove something important. Simply click Delete again to confirm your decision. The message will then be removed from the chat panel and other participants will no longer be able to see it. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a message from your Zoom chat, giving you better control over your communication during meetings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.